Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see how you can configure Cloudflare CDN firewall on your WordPress website. So this is a security parameter. If you are facing vulnerable DDoS attacks and something like that, then you should implement the CDN and firewall on your website. So today we are using Cloudflare free CDN. So this is our website, and first we check that on GT Matrix is the CDN available on that website or not. So let's just test our website. So in this tool we will analyze the speed and other things about the website, and it will also show that either we are using any CDN or not. So this is just for demo purpose, so because you can check that is your website is using CDN or not. So it's just analyzing. Wait for a few more seconds. So DDoS attacks are pretty much common these days, and we need to save our websites from these vulnerabilities. Okay, so as you can see that these are our website stats. So we need to go to the structure, and here you can see a recommendation: user content delivery network such as CDN. So it is recommending us to use a CDN network. So it's clear that our website is not using CDN. So let's start to implement this Cloudflare CDN. Okay, so let's just open the cloudflare.com. If you don't have any account, then you just need to sign up with your email ID and password. That's it. So right now, as I already have an Cloudflare account, so I'm just logging in. Okay, yes, here's my account. It's pretty much simple. You guys have no issue in creating an account. So here I need to click on this add site, and here I need to enter my domain name only. So let me just remove the other things. So you have to enter your domain name like this. Okay, and after that it will show me the plans. Like this is a pro plan. In this plan you will get these features, and the business plan, the enterprise plan, and also there is a free plan which we will be using. So it provides us easy, fast to use DNS, unmetered DDoS protection, global CDN, universal SSL certificate, free managed rule set. Okay, so these all features are available in the free plan. So we just select the free plan and click on continue, because here we need only DDoS protection and CDN. So both of these things are available in the free plan. Okay, so here these are the DNS records which Cloudflare automatically fetch from the domain name servers. Okay, so after that it shows the previous name servers and the new Cloudflare name servers. So we need to change these name servers. Okay, so let me just go to the GoDaddy. This is my domain provider. You also need to visit your domain providers. If you buy domain name from GoDaddy, from Namecheap, any, so you just need to open that panel and open your domain settings. So I just click on the domain settings, domain name, and here I need to click on manage domain. Okay, DNS, no direct DNS option, so click on this manage domain in the right side. Okay, so after that we need to go to the DNS. So here is the DNS and DNS records, forwarding, name servers. Okay, so just go to the name servers tab. Yes, here we can see the change name servers button. So just click on the change name servers. Here I already used my own name servers, but now we just shift to Cloudflare name servers like this. So just paste the second name server. Yes. Okay, now save these two name servers. Okay, now click on continue. This is a consent. Okay, so after changing name servers, it will take around 10 to 20 minutes or sometime hour to update the name servers. So these name servers will be updated soon. We have to wait for some times, but before that we need to click on done check name servers, so that it will check automatically. Okay, finish later. We will change these settings later, or not need to change, because DDoS protection and CDN is already applicable within these settings. Okay, yeah, so these are the basic details like new name servers. Okay, just click on this check name servers, so it will check automatically within an hour or before that to that the name servers are updated or not. Okay, so just let me try to refresh if that are updated. Okay, no, yes, now it's updated. Okay, so great news. So let me just check again. Yes, it's updated. Okay, so now Cloudflare is updated. Let me just check again the website in the GT matrix. Also guys, if you change if you set up the CDN, then it will take around 5 to 6 hours in implementing the CDN, because it will transfer all the data to all their data centers globally. So it will take around 3 to 5, minimum 3 to 5 hours to work CDN properly. So if you just configure the Cloudflare, then don't assume that your site will be covered in CDN right after that. So we checked right after that. Okay, yes, here you can see use a CDN, because I am just checking this right after adding the name servers. So it will take few hours to share the details in all their data center. Okay, so let me just check again after an hour. Yeah, here I skipped an hour part. Okay, so now just let me check again. Okay, you reached your limit. Okay, no problem, we already have a free account. Okay, let me just log in fast. Okay, so here I analyze the website again for CDN configurations. I hope that is implemented now. Okay, so CDN and DDoS protection is a must required thing these days, because DDoS attacks are very frequent on the websites. So after implementing Cloudflare, if any DDoS attack comes on your website, then that will automatically block that visitor or that bug and save your website. Okay, so now let's just go to the structure. Okay, yeah, you can see that here the CDN suggestion is removed. So our website is now configured and working under the CDNs. Okay, so like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.